Selecting the proper pump for your water feature is extremely important for creating a beautiful waterfall and optimizing water filtration. Aquascape adjustable flow pond pumps make it easy to dial in the perfect water flow for your pond or waterfall while maintaining proper pond water circulation. With pumps ranging from 2,000 gallons per hour to 9,000 gallons per hour, there's an Aquascape adjustable flow pump for your new or existing water feature. The included Smart Control receiver provides an integrated control panel and makes it easy to connect your pump to your smartphone or tablet. Simply download the Aquascape Smart Control App and enjoy a variety of wireless control functions, including flow adjustment and customized scheduling that allow you to control your pump from anywhere in the world. Proven and reliable asynchronous motor technology meets the rigorous demands of operating your pump all day, every day. Each adjustable flow pump is backed by a 3-year limited warranty to ensure years of reliable use. 3 adjustable flow pump models provide a variety of options designed to specifically suit your water feature's needs. AquaSurge adjustable flow pond pumps are extremely energy efficient, reliable, and ideal for installation in pre-filters such as pond skimmers and pondless waterfall vaults. SLD adjustable flow pond pumps provide the same reliability as the AquaSurge with the added ability to pass large solids such as small rocks, mulch, and algae through the pump with ease, resulting in extremely low maintenance and trouble-free performance. AquaForce adjustable flow pond pumps include a specially designed pre-filter cage which allows the pump to be submerged directly in a pond without a skimmer or pondless waterfall vault. Whether you're looking for a pump for a new water feature or replacing an existing pump, Aquascape adjustable flow pond pumps make it easy to dial in the perfect water flow while monitoring and controlling the pump from anywhere using the Aquascape Smart Control App. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We've been creating and field testing water features for over 25 years in order to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.